Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying what to remove and why. First, run Python version and Python 3 version to confirm targets. Next, export any environment packages with pip freeze rec txt so you can recreate setups later. Also list virtual environments in your home folder and note whether Python is a system package or a user install. Once done, stop any running applications or services that use Python. This prevents file locks and keeps the uninstall clean. Make sure you have admin rights before continuing. Now pick the correct removal path based on how Python was installed. If you used a package manager, run the corresponding uninstall command, apt remove python x, y, brew uninstall python at x, y, or choco uninstall python version x, y. For Windows installed via installer, use add or remove programs or rerun the installer to uninstall, and then clean path entries that reference that Python. If previously installed manually, remove the interpreter directories under /usr/local, /usr/bin, or /. Local and update symlinks. After removal, verify with which Python and which Python 3. Finish by cleaning residual files and confirming the system state. Delete pip cache folders, old site packages for the removed version, and any stale symlinks. Edit path and shell profiles to remove references to the removed interpreter, then open a new shell and run Python version to verify the active interpreter. Recreate virtual environments from your exported rec txt or install the precise Python you want. If things go wrong, check system logs and path first. Restore your backup of configs and reinstall the intended Python to repair broken dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.